Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're talking about dry skin and how to get rid of it from your beard. One of the main questions I get asked is how to get rid of dry skin under your beard. Now there's different stages of beard growth, and when you are at a clean shaven stage, obviously moisturizer can work for getting rid of dry skin. You can use a cheap moisturizer or a more expensive one depending on the ingredients you want to put on your face. They will get rid of dry skin for you. As you grow out your beard and it gets stubbly, you can continue to use the moisturizer, but as it grows a little bit longer, you will need to use some beard oil. Beard oil is made from argan oil and golden jojoba oil, which is very moisturizing and conditioning for the skin underneath your beard. And like I said, you're aiming for the skin and not the hair itself. Primarily you aim for the skin. Rub it in from your ears to your chin, really get in there, and that'll get rid of all dry skin. A problem I see with guys using beard oil is that when the condition arises, they use it for a day or two, then they stop. When they stop after another day or two, they get that dreaded beard dandruff where they can see all the flakes of dandruff on their t-shirts. The main thing with beard oil is, especially as you grow out your beard and it gets longer and longer, you need to use it daily to combat your hair pulling moisture from your skin under your beard. So you really need to use this beard oil once a day at least, and that'll get rid of all your beard dandruff. So that's a quick short video answering a question that I get asked a lot. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.